Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, today we're going to learn chapter 2, which is demand and supply. Right, so I have shared to you the slides, PowerPoint slides of chapter 2. You can refer to that. Right, so for today we're going to look at demand. Yeah, later we look at supply. Right, so first of all kita kena tahu dulu apa yang dinamakan sebagai demand. Demand adalah permintaan. So by definition, what is the definition of demand? Demand is the ability and willingness of consumers to purchase, to buy goods and services at certain period of time at particular prices, ceteris paribus, which means it is the ability and willingness of whom? Of consumer to buy goods and services at particular prices. And ceteris paribus, which means other factors affecting demand is constant. So the changes hanyalah pada harga, right? Okay. So demand, is associated with the law of demand. So what is the nature of consumer? Sebagai consumer, kita akan membeli barang sekiranya barang itu kita beli banyak sekiranya barang itu murah dan kita beli sedikit sekira barang itu mahal, harga barang itu mahal. So when price increases, we will demand less. When price increases, the quantity demanded decreases. When price decreases, quantity demanded increases. Bila harga meningkat, quantity demanded akan menurun. Bila harga menurun, quantity demanded akan meningkat. Which mean it has negative or inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. Harga dan quantity demanded dia negatively related. Satu naik, satu turun. Satu turun, satu naik. Okay. Now, so bila kita dah tahu law of demand, nature of consumer itulah, so negative relationship between price and quantity demanded, we can learn the demand schedule and also the demand curve. Okay, so look at the slides. Kita tengok demand schedule, when price is 9 ringgit, quantity demanded is 2 units, for example. When price reduced to 8 ringgit and 50 cent, quantity demanded increases to 4 units. When price decreases to 8 ringgit, the quantity demanded increases to 6 unit. Nampak tak? When price decreases, quantity demanded increases. And vice versa. Bermaksud, when price increase, quantity demanded decrease. Contohnya kalau harga naik dari 7 ringgit to 7 ringgit 50 cent, quantity demanded reduce from 10 units to 8 units. Nampak tak? So that is the law of demand. So we can learn it from the schedule itulah. Kita put in a schedule. Okay, so based on the law of demand, kita boleh and the schedule itself, then kita convert into the curve. Okay, so kita kata demand curve is downward sloping or kita kata slopes downward. Dia macam turun bukit. So remember that, bear in mind, the vertical axis ataupun y-axis itu adalah price and the horizontal axis ataupun x-axis itu adalah quantity demanded. Okay, so bila kita study the diagram, bila harga meningkat, quantity demanded akan menurun. When harga menurun, quantity demanded meningkat. That's why the demand curve is downward sloping. Downward sloping to represent the negative relationship between price and quantity demanded. Alright, now we look at the individual and market demand. So apa itu individual demand? Apa itu market demand? So we go first with individual demand. Individual demand refers to the demand of goods and services by a consumer or single individual. Which mean kalau seorang saja ataupun satu individu sahaja yang demand the goods and services, kita panggil sebagai individual demand. Okay? So it is single individual lah, ya, demand of single people, single person. Okay, what is market demand? Ya, market demand refers to the demand of goods and services from a group of consumers. Maknanya kita tengok sekiranya demand of calculator contohnya. So sekiranya satu kelas demand, ya, calculator ini kita panggil sebagai market demand. Tapi kalau seorang saja, contohnya saya saja yang demand calculator ni, kita panggil sebagai individual demand. Okay. So macam mana kita nak dapatkan market demand? Based on the table, kita akan horizontally add the quantity demanded to get the market demand. So macam mana nak buat macam tu? Kita tengok next slide. Ya, ada example di situ. Ya. Okay, so price of good X. Ya, kita tengok ada price of good X and then quantity untuk different individual. Ada individual A, B and C. Kemudian kita ada market demand. Contohnya at RM1, individual A demand 10 units of X. Individual B demand 9 units of X. Dan individual C demand 20 units of X. Maknanya ini adalah individual demand untuk price of X RM1 itu. Jadinya untuk dapatkan market demand, kita akan menambahnya kuantiti itu secara melintang. So 10 plus 9 plus 20 kita akan dapat 39. So 39 itu adalah market demand. Contoh lagi, RM2, individual A demand 8 units, B demand 7 units and individual C demand 18 units dan market demandnya kita tambah 8 plus 7 plus 18 adalah 33 units. Okay, so kita tambah secara melintang. Okay, yang selalu yang kita akan draw biasanya adalah market demand. Unless soalan tanya individual, ya. Draw demand for individual A, individual B and C. Okay. Cara untuk draw the demand, I will show it to you in the next video.